And once you're back on the WordPress dashboard, now what we're going to do is move on and create some pages for the WordPress website that we're learning how to make. So what I want you to do is hover over pages on the left-hand side and then click on Add New. And once you're on the Add New page right here, all we're going to do is type in our page title right here. So I'm going to type in Home for our home page. And then down here where it says Page Attributes, I want you to click and expand the section if you don't see this drop down. And then go into this template drop down and select the Page Builder option, because we're going to be using the Elementor page builder to build out our WordPress website. And then once you're ready, go ahead and click on the Publish button. And if you see this question right here where it says, are you ready to publish? We can just click on the Publish button again one more time. And once the page is published, we can go and check it out if you want, but we're not going to do that right now in this video tutorial because we want to create another page for our blog posts. So again, what you can do is hover over pages and click on Add New. And once you're back on the Add New page, go ahead and type in blog for the blog post page. And for the template in the page attributes, we're going to use the default template for this page because we can go and customize the layout of our blog posts in the theme settings. So again, if you do want to change the blog layout to something different than the demo WordPress website, you can always hover over Appearance and click on Customize and then go back to your theme settings. Okay, so all you have to do is type in the blog title and then click on the Publish button, and then just click on the Publish button one more time. And once the blog page is created, now we have two pages, the home page and the blog post page. And before we go and customize and create our home page for the WordPress website, I want to set these pages in the settings so that when someone goes to our domain, they're going to go to the home page. And then when someone wants to go to the blog page, they're going to go to a specific page. So let's hover over settings on the left-hand side and then click on reading. And once you're on the reading settings page, come to right here where it says your home page displays and select a static page. And then go into this first drop down and select the home page. And then in the post page, select the blog page. And then once you're ready, click on Save Changes. And once the settings are saved, now we have a home page set and a blog page set. So what we can do now is go and customize and create our home page. So if you want to go back to the home page, just hover over pages and click on all pages. And once you're on this page right here, this is where you're going to see a list of all your different pages that you create. So if you see any pages that you don't want anymore, you can just click on delete or click on trash, and then that's going to remove that page. But you can see right here that I just have the home page and the blog post page. And what we want to do now is move on to the next step, which is going to be creating and customizing the home page. So what I want to do is go ahead and click on the edit button.